What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Caspians, I am back. Caspians, stand up. Caspians, where you at, man? Where you at, my fellow Caspians? We are crushing it with Kaspa, and we will continue to do so, man. Before I get into it, always remember I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest in any project in the crypto space. Never invest more than you're willing to lose, unless it's Kaspa. I'm joking. But yeah, Caspians, we are back, man, and I'm checking out Kaspa in this video. I got a nice thread from the Kaspa community. Got some nice little information as well, which is super amazing. And I got a lot, also have some information on why I think going into next week we're gonna be super bullish. Not that Kaspa, needs any more bullishness, but the overall markets should be way more bullish going into next week, Tuesday, Wednesday, around that time frame, and I'll get into why. Now, if we take a look at the Kaspa chart, you can see we're still on this crazy uptrend, sitting at 490 million in market cap and $12 million in 24-hour trade volume. I really think those tier 1 exchange listings eventually will take notice of Kaspa, and those tier 1 exchange listings will happen. You guys already know, man. Kaspa, supply, tokenomics, all of that, check out. There's no venture capitalist to dump the project. There is no team tokens, no ICOs, no pre-mines, no type of situations where like, the price can be manipulated. There's none of that here, right? It's only the people that mine it the legitimate way after it's been launched, and the people that have bought it on the open market. That's the only way for you to get your hands on Kaspa, right? And yeah, that means that's one of the reasons why, well, one of the many reasons, all of that together, many reasons why Kaspa is so bullish, and you're not gonna see any heavy dumps in the price. It's also a brand new project, and one thing I've learned from the crypto space is that people love brand new projects because they always have price discovery, right? And people aren't down as much in these projects. Like even Kaspa, it's not, even from, if you bought the all-time high on April 2nd, you're still not down that much, right? So people are holding a lot more because majority of people in Kaspa are up in profit or at break even right now, and then it's only a minority of people that are in a loss, just a small minority right now, and it's only a matter of time until they'll be break even as well. So with a lot of other projects, they had huge run-ups and then huge crash downs, so there's still a lot of people that are underwater in these projects. So guess what? As soon as these projects start to do pumps, moves to the upside, there's gonna be sell-offs, a lot more sell pressure compared to Kaspa, right? There's not gonna be as much sell pressure here because it never had that bull market, huge god candles to the upside. It never had that bull market experience yet, right? So that's why there's not gonna be as much sell pressure here with Kaspa. Now we got 60,000 people on the watch list. Let me take a look at the official Twitter, because I do miss tidbits from that. 61.3k followers on Twitter. They have a Twitter Spaces coming up on June 27th. Perfect timing, honestly. The 27th is the day the leverage Bitcoin ETF goes live from Valkyrie, the asset manager Valkyrie. That is Tuesday the 27th. So mark your calendars, guys. It could be a buy the rumor, sell the news event, but I'm looking at it from a perspective of, when a project gets listed on exchanges, it has huge price action. I think it's gonna be the same thing here when Bitcoin is finally has some type of ETF that is, accepted by the stock or, the institutional investors. It's gonna cause a next leg on Bitcoin, or move up in price action on Bitcoin, right? That is the 27th. So Kaspa is also holding the Twitter Spaces with Bubblegum LTNG on that same day, so that's very nice. They also have a partnership with Rocket Exchange, an advanced CEX and DEX aggregator to access 300 plus DEXs. As a hybrid index aggregator, compare prices and get the best rates now. So Kaspa making more partnerships just through the community, guys. We also have 10 BPS, 10 blocks per second going live. Shay said it could be this Sunday, right? Could be, but remember, Kaspa is already lightning fast right now. It's super fast, right? Like insanely fast, guys. And when it gets to 10 blocks per second, it's gonna be freaking insane, man. I told you guys, Kas is a monster. Thanks for the intel, Deshay. The mission and vision of Kaspa moves ahead with revolutionary tech innovation, bringing us speed we need to buy, sell, and trade with Kaspa is your digital currency for your everyday life. We already covered up CoinPal. I'm not saying that public 10 BPS Kas testnet will go live this Sunday, but I'm also not saying that it wouldn't, right? That's gonna be crazy, man. Why smart OGs still don't get Kaspa yet? This is from Rock the Kaspa. This is a nice thread. Proof of work Ethereum has established such a strong base for smart contracts that people no longer think innovation is even possible on proof of work. Maybe don't even bother to look, and that's where Kaspa proves everybody wrong. No flagship investors without a private round or pre-mine. There's little early investor research to lean on. This is a positive because there is no unlocks to worry about. Exactly. No team to dump tokens on the market. In reality, Polychain were involved early, but the company was dissolved in a favor of a fear launch. DAGs aren't new and people think that they never really caught on. OGs were discussing them widely in 2016, but founders never solved some fundamental issues until now. Many people have written this area off as a result. Sunk time in DeFi. Most people bias towards the last big thing, that was DeFi and NFTs. Payments and extremely fast blocks are not being discussed at all. Every cycle a new breakthrough emerges, though. Adding smart contracts to this new consensus model is the icing on the cake, and that's the fact. Like, you know, we saw NFTs had a run, Metaverse had a run, GameFi, DeFi, Layer 1s, Layer 2s, right? And Kas is gonna bring back proof of work, DAG, proof of work, Layer 1 and DAG technology to the forefront. Founders are low profile in spite of how smart and widely cited he is. Jonathan doesn't go around shilling like some founders. Only those willing to research will get there. Thankfully, Please Sats makes it easy. Yeah, Please Sats, shout out to Please Sats, man. Yeah, he always got a ton of info. The real gains come in getting into something before smart HNW people do, then eventually retail will follow, leading to a blow off top. In my opinion, we're still early and we're so back. Thanks for the amazing thread, Rock the Kaspa. Shout out to him, guys. And I agree, man. Like I said, you guys could have 50k Kaspa, even 30k Kaspa, and if you could get the 100k, that's it. Lock that in, man. Do your best to lock that in. Obviously not financial advice. And Shay, one of the community devs of Kas, hi Kas, it was brought to my attention that Sterling Spectre posted this question in his channel. People are actually waiting for an answer. So he was talking about how, you know, with the block rewards going to 10 BPS, just how fast will it be, right? And, you know, it's a nice read through as well. Organic from Jim Skibum, organic growth is the way, very much reflected in everything we are witnessing with Kaspa. Beautiful organic price action on the Kas chart, and engaged, intelligent community that knows the value of what they're told. From Jonathan right here, we got a video. Let's take a look, guys, and make sure my audio is on point.
I wasn't, and I'm still not taking it lightly to invent another coin. This is where the importance of community comes in. I wasn't very comfortable with pushing, selling coins. We didn't do any ICO, we didn't do any pre-mine, among other reasons. For that reason, it needs to be a community project, not so much for the ideology, but more. This is the way to justify that the project there's a feedback loop and justifies itself, rather than an organizational corporation or a centralized marketing team just invents a new store of value or medium exchange and starts promoting it. This is on empty air. So this was the kind of considerations we took when we did a fair launch and when we kind of let the community develop organically.
Yo Natoshi, man. Yo Natoshi. Jeez, man. If y'all ain't bullish, I don't know what to tell you, man. If y'all aren't bullish on Kaspa, I have no idea what to tell you. Kaspa currencies now is a complete anomaly in this market full of copy-paste layer 1s and meme tokens. So glad I stumbled upon it randomly. Want innovation? Kaspa is where it's at. Michael Sutton must rewrite 32 BPS benchmarking parallelism performance discussions. So 10 BPS testnet on the way and 32 BPS on the way. The protocol is literally no longer the limiting factor of scalability. Discussions can actually be in the realm of high performance computing. This is highly non-trivial and is all about the theory breakthrough enabled by GhostTag as a scalable generation of Nakamoto consensus. First 50% BFT parameterless consensus protocol, intention with known impossibility results, Nakamoto consensus, Phantom and Dag Knight, vanilla version to secure version, and the paper link. Kaspa's from Shay or Shy, my apologies. However, let me know how to pronounce the person's name in the comment section. But yeah, this is one of the community devs of Kas. He says Kaspa's current block rate is 1 BPS. After the Rust rewrite is complete, we intend to crank it up to 10 BPS and then gradually increase it to 32 and perhaps even more. Guys, this is absolutely insane stuff, man. I'm telling you, I've used the network myself, man, and it's so fast already. Imagine with that 32 BPS block per second upgrade, guys. Kas is a monster, man. Absolute monster in the space. It is a beast. You can't fade it. Caspians, thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Everything Kaspa and myself will be in the description. And also, please support the Patreon. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier for my buy alerts, sell alerts, and access to my private Discord. Let's get some plays early, flip those plays, and buy more Kaspa. I'm telling you. Thank y'all so much for watching. Make this video go viral, blow it up, get it to 10K views, spread it to every Caspian out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.